San Diego County Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're starting the divorce process in San Diego County, the paperwork and court procedures can feel overwhelming, especially if you're trying to handle it on your own. The good news is, with the right guidance and a step-by-step plan, you can get through your divorce quickly, affordably, and without going to court. I'll walk you through exactly how divorce works in San Diego County from start to finish. Step 1 is filing your petition for dissolution of marriage with the San Diego Superior Court. This officially opens your case. You'll also need to file the summons and any required local forms. In San Diego County, everything is filed electronically, so you'll need to use an approved e-filing provider and make sure your documents are formatted correctly to avoid rejection. Step 2 is serving your spouse with the divorce papers. You cannot serve them yourself. It must be done by someone over 18 who is not part of the case, or by using a court-accepted method like notice and acknowledgement of receipt if your spouse is cooperative. Once your spouse has been properly served, you must file a proof of service with the court. This step is critical because it starts the mandatory 6-month waiting period before your divorce can be finalized. Step 3 is completing and exchanging financial disclosures. Both spouses are required by law to disclose their income, expenses, assets, and debts. This ensures a fair division of property and sets the foundation for any agreements on support. Failing to complete this step correctly is one of the biggest reasons judgments get rejected in San Diego. Step 4, if you're in agreement, is drafting a marital settlement agreement. This outlines the terms of your divorce, who gets what, how debts are divided, whether there's support, and how custody and visitation will work if you have kids. The agreement must be thorough and written in a way that meets the court standards, or it may be rejected when you submit your final judgment. Step 5 is submitting your judgment package to the court. This includes your agreement, all required forms, and proof that you've met every procedural requirement. If done correctly, the San Diego court typically reviews and approves judgments in 2 to 4 weeks, but only if everything is in perfect order. We recently helped a couple in San Diego who had started the process themselves but kept getting stuck. Their forms were rejected, their disclosures weren't complete, and they had no idea what the court wanted. Within 1 week of hiring Divorce 661, we had their entire case cleaned up, filed, and submitted for judgment, and it was approved shortly after. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, flat-fee divorce services throughout California, including San Diego County. We take care of everything: e-filing, disclosures, agreements, judgment submission, and more. You don't have to go to court, and you don't have to figure it out on your own. If you're ready to move forward with a stress-free divorce in San Diego, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through the entire process and handle all the paperwork quickly, correctly, and affordably.